today we'll be looking at some side hustles you can do from home, even in this lockdown or even in this lockdown period. There are some side hustles, and most of them require no capital. The only thing you've been needing is your mobile phone and an internet. Trust me now, your business mama. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. See you at the other side. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike. I film about business ideas, do-it-yourself tutorials, food, health and lifestyle. I film from Lagos, Nigeria. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love. We currently hit 200 subscribers. Thank you so much. You all are the secret. And if you are new on this channel, thank you for stopping by. I'm so glad to have you on this channel, and do not forget to subscribe before you leave today. Thank you so much. We'll be looking at some side hustles you can do from the house, and note that these side hustles require no experience. You don't have to have so much experience or anything about it. The only thing you'll be needing is the wheel, your mobile phone and your internet. So we'll be breaking them, we'll be picking them one after the other and discussing about them. So for the first one, I'll be mentioning, you all know about that dropshipping. I've done a video on that. You might want to see that video. The link to that video will be in the description box. Dropshipping is the art of buying and selling without having to meet both seller and buyer. So what you just need to is just create online platforms, Instagram business page, your Facebook business page, on GG, Jumia, register as a seller. Then you're liaise with some importers who import directly from those major countries. Once you liaise with them, tell them to add it to their dropship group, ask for their policies, and start in that group. They will start sending pictures of available goods with their specifications. So all you have to do is just to go to the group, check those specifications of the goods, and go to your Facebook page, start posting them. Tell people, word of mouth, tell people around your area, your street, your church or your school. Tell them you now sell this and that. You're going in a bus. Introduce yourself to people, network with people, and tell them, let them know this is what I sell. And that's just it. What you just need is your mobile phone, your internet, and how to tell people what you do. Go to your Instagram pages, create a Facebook profile there, and start advertising. And please, when you create those pages, don't make it look like everywhere should be littered with your product. Also show your face. These days the world has gone digital, but people also want to see the face behind the brand. To know more about dropshipping, I'll put the link to the previous videos on that. Dropshipping, how to start a business without capital, and where I also gave the free access to contact of importers that you can dropship for. The link to those videos will be in the description box. Please make sure you check out those videos to get a full understanding. The next thing we'll be talking about is creating a YouTube channel. See, I tell people, if I can start a YouTube channel, then anybody can actually start it. Yes. In short, I have every reason not to start my YouTube channel, but I damn everything. I knew that no, it is time. I've had this thing in mind for so long, but the fear of unknown has been keeping me back. So please start your YouTube channel. YouTube channel or YouTube is a win-win. You win, I win, we all win. There's no competition anywhere. The only competitor you have is yourself. So sit down, make an outline, your content. This is your niche, and please don't bring yourself down to a particular niche. You can actually pick 2-3 niches that you can bring together and make content thing you're passionate about. Might be food, might be health, might be lifestyle, vlogs, anything at all you're passionate about. Is it parenting or anything? Just do something about it. Start creating content about it. You don't need to have 50 videos. Okay, some people will actually advise I should have a certain video idea, but for me, when I was starting, I really didn't have so much, but I knew I was passionate about business. I was passionate about creating craft with my hands. I was passionate about health and lifestyle and food. So, and I went into it. I started creating content on those. They will always come, since you're passionate about it, since you're knowledgeable about those areas. They will always come. Third also I'll be talking about is Uber or Taxify. If you have a car, your house that's been staying there for days, for weeks, you know you don't use it every day, you don't take it to work, why not hire it out on Uber or Taxify? People are really making their full cash there. Hire it out and make it also another stream of income. It does not take you so much. Just go to the Uber or Taxi, download it, and register as a driver. and start getting trips and making your money. Yes, or there's this place I claim my goods when they come from China or Turkey, a warehouse. You can also make researches on warehouse around. Go there and tell them you want to start, like you want to be a driver for those that will be coming to clear their goods. When I go and clear my goods, you need to see what I usually go through before I get a car. So it's another, because there are limited cars in that warehouse. So I usually, there are sometimes I will even try to book on taxi or Uber, and they'll be telling me that they are not ready to go to my area. So I have to make whatever is on ground. So please, you can also do that. Go to those warehouses, tell them that you want to start your taxi. It shouldn't take much, even if you'll be collecting money or anything. It shouldn't take so much. It should not be. You shouldn't spend so much. They might not even collect anything. Just stay there, hang around. People always come to clear their goods. People are usually going there to clear goods every day. The fourth one rather that I'll be talking about is cooking. Cooking. There are some people that they are badass cooker. They are badass cooks. If you have good cooking skills, you can make it. During this pandemic, the lockdown and the whole thing, I learned on my Facebook page a lady who was an event planner, but because of everything happening, no social gatherings, she had to think about what she could do while at home, and she started cooking. When I saw the figure that lady made within those few weeks, I opened my mouth. Even me, I was contemplating, shall not go and add cooking to my shall not add cooking to my skills like this. So are you a good cook? You can cook sometimes meal. Please, it is an avenue to get money. Start posting. When you cook, package it very well. Those transparent plates, package it in liters, yes, and calculate the amount you spent in making the soup. After then, take good pictures and start posting online. People will order. Like those bachelors or people who don't like cooking, they will always order food or anything food related. Will always sell, will always try. Post it in liters. I have this. There are even some people that know how to cook all the kinds of soup in the whole world, be it a dikaikon, any kind of soup. Take pictures of those soup after cooking, or even any meal at all. Post it. Find those transparent plates, package it well, and take good and nice pictures. You can even do short videos, and post on Instagram, post on Facebook. Tell people you now cook and sell. You now cook for a living, and start posting. That is something you can make. Please, you have to overtake. So please, that is another skills you can monetize. The fifth one rather I'll be talking about today is graphic designs. There are also Facebook groups that you can just go and get basics knowledge about graphics and start designing. There are so many businesses on Instagram looking for people to design their logos. It sells. Start doing something. Design logos for businesses. Design what's it called? I can't remember. Template shop for business. Go online, go and learn. There are so many free tutors. The one I learned during this last quarantine period, it was organized by my friend. She did graphic designs for us, video editing, how to create 3D motion graphics. It was 1,000 naira she did, and over 150 of us registered for that course. That is about 150,000 naira. Tell me, is that no money? About 150 of us registered for it. Tell people you start advertising yourself. Go on Facebook, do Facebook ads for as low as 500 naira. Tell people it is 1,000 naira. Do a package together. Graphics designs, video editing, 3D motion graphics, video avatar, and people will come. People will register for it. People are really ready to add knowledge, to add value to themselves. So this is an avenue for you to gain money or to have another stream of income. So please go on Facebook, go on Instagram, make badass designs, and tell people I want to start teaching at a reduced price, 1,000, 2,000 naira. People will definitely register. Start somewhere. Please start somewhere. So the next skill I'll be talking about, that should be about the sixth skills, is makeup skills. As we all know that there is no social gathering for now. No party, no owambe, nothing. So as a makeup artist, will you be at home sitting and doing nothing, or going to your studio and sitting there when you know that so many people are not going to parties again? Why not think of organizing a class online, a basic makeup tutorial class, how to do their eyebrow, how to do basic day-to-day makeup? You know me now. my waka is much. So I was on Instagram scrolling. I saw a friend that did makeup training. Over 1,000 people register. 800 to 1,000. I can't remember the number of people I saw. She did it for 1,000 euro on Telegram. Over, like the last people I saw, the last screenshot of our Telegram people she posted was over 800 people registered for that class. Please, 800 times 1,000 is how much? 800,000. Yeah, you can even use a baby those mannequins to do your practical, or if you have anybody around that can sit as your model, do it and start make a video of it and do it like that in basics. How to do their eyebrow, how to do a basic makeup, how to do the party stuff. Tag it, put a price tag, 1,000 to 2,000. People will register. People are willing to learn. Even me, I am willing to learn. So please, are you a makeup artist? You've been at home doing nothing. This is an avenue to make something. This is an avenue to make cool cash for yourself. Go online and start telling people you just organized a subsidized makeup training class. That is something. 1,000 or 2,000, and if over 100 people register, that is how much, just by sitting at home. Do it. It is something, please. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is delivery services. Delivery services. Almost everybody, every one of us into business have an issue or have a challenge, and it is what delivery. When you're thinking that, okay, I don't have a motorcycle, I don't have anything to deliver. Well, I'm not saying this, that's not what I'm saying. Go online, go and search for delivery companies and liaise with them. Tell them you want to start referring people to them. How much is their charges? You want to, and for each delivery you make, this is you should have, they are willing. Yes, they will agree. Make an agreement with them that you want to start recommending them to people. For each delivery they do for you, this is your own cut. Then after that, open your Instagram page, open your Facebook page, and start telling people you offer or you run a delivery service that you deliver to any part of Lagos or any state you are. For each delivery you have your cut. For each delivery you refer to them, you have a cut. You have your cut. So that is it. See, we shouldn't just sit and not want to add to do something extra. Please, these things will not take you anything. It is just your time, your mobile phone, your internet. Most of us spend thousands of naira on the internet doing nothing. This is an avenue for you to start doing something. So please, open an Instagram page, a Facebook page, and start advertising that you now run a delivery service. You can deliver. You're very reliable. You can deliver to any part of Lagos or any part of the state you are. So please, and please, that is something. Start going on. Go on Instagram now, Facebook, or any platform you can go on. Go and search for those delivery services. Make an agreement with them, liaise with them, and tell them you want to start doing this. For each delivery you recommend to them, you have a certain cut. People will. Most of us have issues. I've mentioned this before with deliveries. So please, people will always come to you to help them deliver goods. So this is another business. So the next one I want to talk about is social page manager. Social page manager. There are so many businesses in your street. See, this thing is paining me. This thing is really paining me. Please, you cannot just afford to sit and do nothing about this. I'm talking from the bottom of my heart. Social page manager. There's so many businesses in your street, that supermarket in your street, that laundry business in your street that do not have an online presence. We all know that the world has gone digital. Like, we all do everything, virtually everything online. Go and meet them and tell them you're a social page manager. Package yourself, dress well. You can even print business cards. Go and meet them. Request to speak with their CEO or the owner of the business and tell them you're a social page manager. You want to ask them if they have an online presence. If they don't, then you tender your service to them. Tell them, I am a social page manager. I can help you run an online store where I would advertise you and show you to the world. This is so, and to even convince them further, you can even render like 2 weeks or one month free trial for them, that okay, for the first 1 month I will do this free, just to show you, just to make you see reasons, or just to convince you that if you would allow me to do this, and just for them to know the difference between selling offline and online. So So far, I think I've mentioned about 7 side hustles, 7 or 8 or thereabouts. I know that they will be very, very useful for you. So please go through this video and pick that you know you can do. You have no excuse. You have no excuse. So many people they're online doing something for themselves. When I started my business, I had no dime. Like, I had no physical goods. It was drop shipping, and I made 6 figures from it just by drop shipping for people. So check this video and sit and think about what you can do to in exchange for value, in exchange for money. Think about it and start something. Start now. Now is the time to start something now. Start something to add an extra source of income for yourself. It is never too late. Start something. I'm very, very happy to hear your success story. So if you're here to see the video I created on how to start a business without capital, please, you need to see that video. For those that want to go into drop shipping, and I also made a video where I gave free access to contact of importers you can dropship for. The link to those videos will be in the description box below, so please check them out. Also, let me know the next video you like to watch on my channel. Let me know if you find this video helpful, and please, if you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? So please, it is very important. Please subscribe. To my returning subscribers, you people know now, loyal gang, thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much. So I've been waiting for you in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video, and also let me know what content of the video you'd love to watch next on my channel. Thank you so much. I remain your baby girl, Fumike. So I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. Our signature now. Thank you.